Today, I'm going to show you how to change your x.com or Twitter display name in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful fix if you want your profile to look more professional, update your personal brand, or just use a new name that better fits your account. The process only takes a moment, and you do not need any special tools or settings. If this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are on the main screen, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page, where you can view your bio, posts, and account details. On the right side of the screen, you will see an Edit Profile button. Click that button to open your profile editing options. A pop-up or editing panel will appear with several fields you can update. Find the Name field, which is where your display name is stored. This is the name that appears on your profile, and it can be different from your username or handle. Click inside the Name field and type your new display name. You can use your real name, your brand name, or any name that reflects how you want to appear on X. After you've entered the new name, take a quick moment to double-check the spelling and make sure everything looks correct. When you're happy with the change, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. X will update your profile name immediately, and your new display name will now be visible to other users. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed your x.com display name in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.